Hello everyone, my name is Sathish and I teach Zoology subject, and I am teaching from past 10 years in the NEET division, and I am a medical coordinator too. See, NCERT is everything for the NEET preparation, especially in biology, because 95 to 99% of the questions they will come directly from NCERT. Hardly one or two questions may be consisting the words which are out of NCERT. Apart from that, remaining everything it is from NCERT itself. And most importantly, from introduction part, some data scrutiny like scientist names, years, and their contributions. So that is less time-taking effort, but it will yield a more value for your preparation, which will be at the beginning of each unit. And coming to the question preparations, while preparing for the mock test, so there will be key words in the questions like except, not, incorrect. Read these questions thoroughly before answering the questions. For example, there may be a question which is consisting not incorrect. Just by looking at the word incorrect, you will be answering incorrect options which are given. But the question is about not incorrect, so which will be consisting correct answer. So such preparation is more important over there. The last minute preparation for the NCERT, you can go with the reverse sweep technique. Like you should read summary and exercise first, which will be including some key terminologies and some extra points like one or 2 points which are more than given in the main body of the chapter. And also line by line coverage is more important, and you can do it with the short notes. And in the preparation, diagrams play a very key important role, because diagrams are not just for labeling, they are for understanding the concept. Like repeated questions include diagrams like countercurrent mechanism, and questions based on botany chapters like diagrams of algae, bryophytes, the regions of the roots, and especially in biotechnology like DDR-P22 vector, like recognition sites which are present in selectable markers. So they are very important for understanding the concepts. And the repeated chapters and high weightage chapters are like genetics and evolution, which carries approximately 15 to 16 questions, and human physiology, which carries around 7 chapters in a unit, and that is around 14 to 15 questions. And small chapters but maybe carrying high weightage like biotechnology. Only 2 chapters are there, but they carry around 8 to 10 questions. And cell the unit of life, that is foundation for understanding all these remaining other chapters, and that is also a repeated chapter, and it is carrying high weightage. Biology is a subject that consists of 2 divisions, botany and zoology. You may find difficulty in handling both because the perspective of approach for these 2 divisions is different. Botany is mostly memory and logic based, whereas zoology is application and understanding based, that is concept wise. And botany is more or like abstract. So start your preparation early in the morning when your mind is fresh, and zoology, as it is understanding part, it goes like a story, so you can read it anytime. And there will be questions like assertion and reasoning based choices. In this, there will be a technique for easy answering. First, read both the sentences independently, and if you feel the sentence is correct, then your half work is done. If any of the statement is wrong, then you can go for the choices which are given in 3rd and 4th option, like either assertion is false or reason is false. When both the statements are correct, easy way is just add a word because in between the 2 statements. Now try to read these 2 statements as one single sentence. If it makes sense, then it will be the correct explanation. If not, and if you feel like these 2 statements are independently correct, then it is not correct explanation. In that way you can answer. And there is one more technique like reverse technique. First read the reason statement and add a word so, and then assertion. So even in this sense it is making a meaning, then it will be a correct answer.